The Channel Blender by Blender Products improves mixing box performance in air handling units without the space required with traditional static mixers. Temperature stratification is the result of cold outdoor air and warm return air failing to mix within the air handling unit's mixing box. This creates cold spots in the plenum that cause operating problems including freeze-stat trips and frozen coils. For many years, HVAC designers have specified static mixers to reduce the impacts of temperature stratification. Although these devices are effective, they require additional tunnel length in the air handling unit. This leaves the designer with a design dilemma. They know freeze protection is a critical requirement in many applications, but they often don't have enough space in the mechanical room to use static mixing sections. The result is that mixing goes unaddressed. Operators have to bypass control sequences to keep equipment running, building owners have to pay for higher operating costs, and engineers and contractors have to deal with potential rework and liability. The Channel Blender solves both the stratification problem and the space problem. It finally provides the air handling unit with a mixing box that actually mixes. Here's how it works. The Channel Blender directs incoming cold outdoor air and warm return air into alternating narrow air channels. Damper blades at the end of each channel direct the outdoor air and return air streams into each other. This creates turbulence and mixing of the two air streams, all within the mixing box. With the Channel Blender installed in the air handling unit mixing box, we can eliminate the separate static mixer or blender section. The Channel Blender also replaces the outdoor air and return air dampers in the mixing box. In most applications, the Channel Blender provides the same performance features as a mixing box and blender section in half the air handling unit tunnel length and at equal or less pressure drop. Not only is the Channel Blender the most space-efficient mixing equipment available, it also reduces overall cost as it eliminates the cost of the blender section and the associated shipping and installation costs. The product is the result of extensive design, engineering, physical, and computational performance testing and has UL and AMCA certifications. With the Channel Blender, designers can solve their mixing problems even in space-constrained environments, so their systems can finally perform as intended. By eliminating freezing and stratification problems, the Channel Blender allows designers to provide occupants with proper indoor air quality, energy-efficient operation, and reliable system control. For more information, including specifications and application, contact your local Blender Products manufacturer's representative. Find them at blenderproducts.com.